funny how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams.
Hey, what's my froze? It's me, GINAMARIE, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 natural hair rules that I just do not follow. I have been doing this natural hair thing for about three and a half years now, and there are just some things about this natural hair that have just, people are doing entirely too much. And so I wanted to share with you guys 5 things that I don't follow that a lot of people say you should when it comes to doing your hair. So the first thing, and you guys kind of let me know all the time, I don't section off my hair when I wash my hair. It has never been a problem. My hair doesn't mat or anything, so I really don't know what people talk about when they say their hair mats, but I've never had to section off my hair. I used to do it when I first went natural, and then I realized it was redundant. I realized it was done, like I didn't need to, and so until I absolutely need to, I'm not going to do it. And I've washed my hair in my kitchen sink where it's like flipped over. I don't do it in sections and my hair doesn't mat. Washed it in the shower. My hair just does not mat. I could just literally go about my business without sectioning off my hair. So I don't really work in sections pretty much at all. Not even when I'm styling my hair. Like I might split it in sections just to for ease of working, but I'm not splitting it in sections to keep my hair from detangled, like keeping my hair from matting or anything like that. My hair. Another thing is I don't really use oils when it comes to my natural hair. I have kind of learned that I guess I want to put it like this. I feel as though I should not have to go in and follow up with an oil to keep my hair moisturized because the product doesn't. And I have come across products that are so rich in ingredients when it comes to like oils, butters, they just got all the goodness that a true good styling product and moisturizer for me, I don't need to go in with oils. And I honestly feel as though if I have to follow up with the oil, then the product is not that good. Another thing that I don't do is I don't detangle my hair prior to washing. So not only do I not section my hair off, I actually don't detangle prior to washing. It's just something that I never had to do, and so I don't do it. Even when I do a wash and go when my hair is in its kinkiest state, I don't sit here and try to detangle. No, I just rinse it. I guess my hair just works better when there's water in it first than me sitting and trying to do stuff prior to putting water in it. But I don't detangle my hair prior to washing my hair. It's just something that I don't do. Another thing that I don't do is I don't moisturize my hair every day. Again, I feel as though if I'm spending all this money on hair products, then when I do my hair, those hair products need to last me throughout the week. I shouldn't have to go back in and re-moisturize my hair, and that's how I feel. And because I have products that I don't have to do that with, I know the possibility is out there, and so I don't re-moisturize my hair during the week. And then the last thing that I don't do with my natural hair is I don't pre-poo and I don't do hot oil treatments. I have tried those, but again, I feel like those are unnecessary steps that I'm just not willing to do. I don't want to spend my whole day doing steps that just aren't that necessary when it comes to my hair. And so I don't do hot oil treatments. I don't do pre-poos. If I do pre-poo, it's because I'm trying to get rid of a product. I'm sick of it. I don't know what else to use it for, and so I'm going to use it as a pre-poo just so I can get rid of it. But that's rare because I've gotten so good at picking products. A lot of the products that I choose typically work well with my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if there's any natural hair rules that you don't follow down in the comments down below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscription button and the notification button so you don't miss out on my next upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.